Let's begin by logging into our Raspberry Pi. We need to add the key that's used to sign software in the ROS repository. That key is saved in GitHub, and we can find the URL here in the ROS Foxy installation instructions. Here in the Setup Sources section, we see the URL. We'll use the apt key fetch keys command to add the key. The URL for the ROS repository itself is also in the installation instructions. We'll use that URL with the apt add repository command, and this adds the repo to our Raspberry Pi. Since we used the add repository command, there's no need to run an apt update. Everything already is up to date, so we can go ahead and install. Okay, looks like the installation is complete. However, by default, the binaries are not added into your path. However, we can do this by sourcing the setup file in opt-ros foxy. Since we're going to use this image always to run ROS, we might as well just go ahead and set up the paths every time we log in. So let's go ahead and add that to our bash RC file. Let's also go ahead and install Python 3 arc complete. This enables tab completion all throughout ROS. We'll find it's really useful in shortcuts for typing ROS commands. Now that it looks like our install is done, how about we try out the examples? That didn't work quite as expected, but actually that's not really surprising. Remember, we only did a minimal installation, so the demos were not installed. But as you can see, ROS2 is installed. Looks like we're up and running.